This is part 2 of the pileated woodpecker working on this ironwood tree down at the base. I hope you saw the first video. This is called ironwood because the surface of the tree looks like it has muscles under the bark. This one's not as dramatic as some of the others. But a while ago, I walked up on a pileated woodpecker sitting on the ground right here, pecking this huge hole in the bottom of this dead tree. Upon closer inspection, if you can see them, there are ants in there. Yeah, little ants. So, the woodpecker was getting a pretty good meal out of this. There's some back in there. Now I got the camera. It's hard for me to hold the camera. So, anyway, where's the hole? There it is. The sun's got me messed up. Pretty interesting what goes on in my backyard.